Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram white screen Android. To know how to fix Instagram white screen Android, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here like this, and you will click like this, and then here in this page you will go to Instagram, as you see. After that, in this page you will go to click force stop, and when you will click force stop you will go to storage here, and then in this page, as you see like this, you will go to click here clear cache, and after that you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.